Hey there! We're diving into a game-changing feature for hoteliers, checking and downloading reports. 2 quick ways to get there. From the dashboard, click on Reports in the quick links on the right side. Boom! You're in the Reports section. Or, use the left slider and click on Reports. Inside, you'll find 4 modules: Front Office, Housekeeping, Finance, and Food and Beverage. Looking for a sales report? Head to Front Office, then Bookings and Sales. Need guest-related info? Click on Guests in the Front Office section for details on guests, GRC, and feedback. In the Rooms module, you'll find the Occupancy Report and Availability Report. In Bookings, we have Sales Report, Booking Report, Arrival Report, Departure Report, Police Verification Report, and GST Report. Let's focus on the Sales Report. Select the date range, choose the date-wise report type, booking date, check-in date, or checkout date, and specify if you want a room sale or other sale report. Decide whether you want the report for bookings with or without generated invoices. Click Generate Excel Sheet, and voila! You'll receive a link to download your report. Moving on, explore other booking reports like Total Bookings, Arrival Report, Departure Report, Police Verification Report, and GST Report. Each offers valuable insights for your hotel management. In the Rooms module, discover the Occupancy Report and Availability Report. You can view and download these reports, checking room availability and occupancy for a specific month. The Guest Report allows you to search for guests by booking ID or name. In GRC, Guest Registration Certificate, Access Details, and check guest feedback in the Feedback section. Switching to Housekeeping, you will find the Request sections and Room Cleaning. In Request you will get how many housekeeping requests is there. The Finance module offers a Cashier Report and Balance Report. Customize the date range to view collections, payments, and expenses. In Expenses, explore the Expense Report to see balance details. Download reports in PDF or Excel format for your convenience. Lastly, in Food and Beverage, generate reports for kitchen items, restaurant items, room service items, top 10 orders, and orders, kitchen, restaurant, room service. Sales reports for restaurant and room service allow you to track revenue. Select the restaurant and date range, and get detailed insights into your food and beverage sales. Hoteliers can access all the necessary reports to manage their operations efficiently. Happy reporting!